Croeso. I'm Tara Crank. I've been making videos and doing Zoom sessions for Coed Lleol since 2020. I'm here today to show you some lessons I've learned from moving my content from in-person to online. Let's go! I'm going to walk you through the process I went through in order to get from being reluctant and nervous to now actually advocating for an online approach as a useful way to get our messages across. There's three things I'm going to talk about. The first is the issues I faced, then the solutions I found, and finally the opportunities that actually came out of it. The issues that I faced before online delivery were that I was quite uncomfortable with being on camera and seeing myself on camera. It felt like doing videos would be too me-centred and not participant-centred, like I usually do in person. I also felt for the Zoom calls I would end up with half an hour of blank space and just feel quite awkward, along with the participants too. As well as having lovely woodlands, I don't know where the participants live, so how could I possibly adapt my sessions for them? I needed to find a way to cross these bridges. The first step was realising that I'm really passionate about the content that I teach and also about the people that I teach with. After watching a sample session, it felt so much easier with that framework to know exactly what I could do with a Zoom session. I massively over-prepared for my first one and ended up actually feeling like I had so much more to say. With the support from the mentors, I didn't feel like the Zoom atmosphere was awkward because we could create a social dynamic between us even if the participants didn't want to talk. I also felt after making a few videos that I was actually a lot more comfortable hearing my voice on camera. I continued to find that delivery in this way offered me opportunities to grow my practices and to move forwards. I found that I had a new drive for the same content because I was looking at it from different angles. I was allowing myself more time to prepare and organise the information to make it exciting. I was able to present the information very differently. I could show things up close that people wouldn't necessarily be able to see without a lot of equipment. Things that move fast, like bees. I could show how many eyes they have, which, if you're interested, it's 5, 2 compound ones and 3 simple ones. It also allowed me space to reconsider how the skills I teach are relevant to the participants where they live and in their localities. Finally, it also let me be a little bit goofy. If you are considering moving your content online, I imagine you might have had some of the same worries as me. So I hope this video has helped in seeing my process. Thank you for watching, diolch am wylio, and please like and subscribe. My name's Tara Crank. Hwyl fawr.